Hey guys, today I'm shooting a quick video to talk to you a little bit about the Ram trucks, the 2019s and newers. I've done some research on this. I'm having the droning effect. People talk about droning. I call it humming, a vibration sound, and it comes from these Ram pickup trucks with the active noise cancellation units in them. And so like where I've noticed it being the worst is like on very cold days. I notice it when I'm slowing down and the truck goes into eco mode. I get some vibration sound inside the truck. Other people call that droning. Of course, we're gonna have some noise here. But anyway, I found a solution to that. I've seen some videos online where people clip wires and they do some different things, but I've ordered this part and I just wanted to share it with you if you're having the same problem. The noise also gets worse when kids are in the back seat, but this is the part you want. There's a clip, and we're going to walk over to the truck right now. I'm going to show you where this goes in. So let's go ahead and walk over here real fast. Okay, right underneath the driver's seat here, there's this silver box. And this silver box is not an amplifier for the radio. It is an active noise cancellation system. And there are 4 microphones inside the truck that listen to the sounds that the truck makes. There's 1, 2, and then there's 3, 4 in the back. So if you have this little stereo in your Ram, which I have, it's kind of the base unit stereo, and you just have an active noise cancellation system and no amplifier attached to it, what's going on is your truck is listening to sounds through those microphones, and the radio speakers are trying to put in a sound wave out that cancels the frequency of the sound that the truck is hearing. And that gets a little wonky in some of these Rams, and it creates that vibration noise. And so you think it's because it's gone down in eco mode, or you think it's because, well, I got somebody in the back seat, or it's my exhaust, or something's going on. And in reality, all it is those speakers. So if you can get the truck to quit listening through the microphones up top, the active noise cancellation system doesn't work anymore. And we solve that with this clip right here. It's a super easy process. You simply get under here. There's a release on the first white clip. You push down on it, that pops out. There's a release on the second black clip. You pull those 2 out. They're side by side right here. The black clip goes into the black clip right here. We simply clip that in. We have the original one here that goes into this piece. That clips in there. Done. And then this is your new connector, which eliminates the 4 wires coming from the microphone, and it simply goes right back into your active noise cancellation system. And once we get it in there, it is done, and that vibration droning noise, let's see where it's at. Let's see, easier said than done. There it is. Okay, so it's in, and that is done. I have driven this truck. I've had this unit for about 4 days now. I've driven around in the cold. It was worse in the cold weather. All of that has been solved. I have gained, I would say, I've noticed people have asked, do you pick up a little more road noise? And I would say yes. It is a slight amount. And compared to that droning, this is the way you want to set your thing up. Just leave your radio alone. Don't mess with anything else. Use this clip. It's about 20 bucks. I'm going to put a link to it down below this video. You can click on that link and order the part. And when you get it to your house, if you're having this issue with kids in the back seat on cold days, when you go into eco mode, whatever reason it is, and you're getting that vibration, that full-on whoo sound inside the truck randomly, that's the sound you hear. This will solve that, and you won't have that anymore. May have a little more road noise, but the trade-off is well worth it. So hope that helps. Just wanted to shoot the video.